Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models and welcome to another vlog. In this vlog it's just a nice quick sort of update. I've had some stock come in and I want to show you just sort of what is to come, because with us all in lockdown I wanted to do a little bit of extra, so I'm kind of getting extra stuff to show you some sort of extra videos like product reviews, tool reviews, inbox reviews, all that good stuff. So I've just had the box come in today, so I just want to sort of show you what have we got. Well, first off, some interesting stuff. I know some of you went on about dioramas, so in here you'll be seeing a video of this. I've got to do some testing, but what these are molds for bricks, stuff like dioramas. We've got bricks and blocks. I've got to sort of play around with what kind of sort of cement or plaster to use to make these, but we've got that coming. What we have got Hasegawa's 1/72 scale Lightning 2, the US Marine one there. We've got air fixes. I do believe this is a new tool, which is of their F51D Mustang 1/48 scale by Airfix. We have got Great Wall Hobbies with their F14D Tomcat. That's in 1/72 scale. Right, so got some nice kits there. Nice little bag in here. I just kind of thought I'd try out some new glosses and mattes. So we do have, maybe bring you in a bit closer, we do have the Micro Scale Industries Micro Flat Satin and Gloss. Just thought I'd try them out, might do a little video on them, we'll see how they go in testing. Actually I've just got some extra supplies here, just some sort of stuff that I need. I've kind of broke my micro saw and my put is actually sort of drying up, so I've just got them. Some interesting tools here. We do have this fix kit, which is a UV type glue, which I have already shown you this, but actually Revell's gone off and sort of did their own. Whether it's any different or any better, I don't know. We'll probably have a quick look at that one. Then this one's a little bit of an interesting one as well. This is a precision lubricator. This is potentially going to be good for airbrushes, where I'd normally put a little bit of oil sort of in the trigger area, which could be kind of messy just using some multi-purpose stuff, but this is, you know, actually for it, as well as loads of other sort of little applications. Because it's a precision one, might be kind of good. We'll check it out. We do have as well a Pacific tool for a Deco positioning tool, right? If you've ever seen me do any sort of deckling, I'll get like a hand drill type thing with a sewing needle in there, and I'll use that to position them. Admittedly, you can pierce the decals and all this kind of stuff. We'll check this tool out, we'll see if it's any better. Other kits as well, we do have some Minx. I do love Ming and Armour. This is their, coming in too much, this is their Shilker. I do like a Shilker for some strange reason. 1/35 scale, again by Ming, absolutely looking cool. We'll check that out. Then we have this one. I know this isn't actually a released tank, but it was a prototype by the US during World War II. This bad boy here, which is by Hobby Boss, it's a US T29 heavy tank, 1/35 scale. I don't know if you've ever played World of Tanks and that kind of thing. I used to love that tank in there, and actually doing it as a model might be kind of cool. But either way, there's a bunch of kits and new tools and stuff. Look, probably make quite a few videos out of all this stuff, just to bring you a nice bit of extra stuff while you're in lockdown. So stay tuned. Maybe you can comment down below and let me know what you might want to see first above everything else. But apart from that, as always, this is Genesis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron, and I hope you've enjoyed.